Do your performance reviews look like this? Or this? Or this? Well, there's a good chance your employees hate them. Using Word or Excel performance review templates is something we've all gotten used to by now, but it is extremely inefficient and they are one of the reasons performance reviews get a bad rep. So in this video, I'm going to tell you just why they are so bad, and then I'm going to show you a much better, faster, easier way you can conduct your performance reviews right inside Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, just roll the intro. Here are the 3 biggest issues with using Word or Excel performance review templates. They don't offer real-time tracking, they are a pain to create and customize, and once you're done with them, the data is way too hard to analyze. If you want to include specific data about individuals such as goal completion rates or how many tasks did they finish within the review period, well, you're going to have to log all of that in manually. And once you're done with the actual performance review, well, get ready to sift through spreadsheets on spreadsheets on spreadsheets of unappealing data just to get a few helpful nuggets of insight. To quote every single person who's ever been on an episode of Shark Tank, there has to be a better way. Well, there is. Let me show you just how you can conduct entire review cycles with no one ever having to leave Microsoft Teams. Let's go. This is my friend Miriam's Microsoft Teams dashboard. I know, it looks pretty cool. She is using a performance review software designed specifically for Microsoft Teams, and it's called Teamflect. Let's see how it works. Using this tool for performance reviews couldn't be any easier. All you need to do is go to reviews, and voila, you have all the performance reviews about yourself and your team listed right here, clear as day, no spreadsheet juggling. And to create a new performance review, simply click New Review. Everything is right where it's supposed to be, very easy to navigate. So you have to put a review name right here, so Q3 Performance Reviews, and pick one of the many incredible performance review templates available to you. Once you do that, you'll need to pick some reviewees. You see all the information about the performance review here. Do you have any special notes? Put them in and click Create. Done. That's how easy it is to create a new performance review in Teamflect. Now that was all right, but what does the inside of the performance review look like? Is it better than a spreadsheet? Let's find out. To see what the inside of a Teamflect performance review looks like, all we need to do is to pick one of the many performance reviews that we have instant access to. It looks like Adele has finalized her performance review, and she has a 3.38 overall score. So to see what her performance review looks like, all we need to do is to click See Review. Let's do just that. And once we're in, we can clearly see that this is objectively better than an Excel spreadsheet. Look at how detailed yet concise everything is. On the right, you can see tasks in this review period. And in the middle, you see questions answered by the reviewee and the reviewer themselves. If we scroll down, we see different question types, such as goal-oriented questions. And a quick scroll reveals the results of the performance review, clear as day, both in chart and numerical data form. You can see notes taken by the reviewer, both overall comments and private comments just for themselves. And below, very simply, the most important part of this performance review, the employee development plan. It is ready to go. That right there is a way to conduct your performance reviews much better than all the spreadsheets in the world combined. And it also brings us to the end of this video. What did you think? Was it helpful? Just let me know in the comments below. We release helpful Microsoft Teams content like this one every single week, so subscribe to make sure you don't miss any of them. You can also click the link in the description to schedule your free demo with Teamflect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.